Hi, Jackie here with Brian Weber from Weber Automotive. Hi, Brian.
Hi, Jackie.
How are you doing?
Doing great.
Doing good, doing good. All right, so you guys are an independent auto shop, and you guys have really, really skilled technicians. So tell me about the importance of having skilled technicians.
That's a long list, and I'll try to be as short and brief as I can. Cars, is you know, are not getting any simpler, right? They're like computer technology marbles on wheels. 15, 20 different computers talking to one another. But everything is complex, and everything is important. Even down to tightening the drain plug after you change the oil, to tightening wheels back down.
Wow.
To knowing what test equipment to hook up where and what not to hook up in the wrong place, because you can fry electronic components. So all of our technicians are ASE certified. We have 4 master certified technicians, which basically means they have all of the certifications that ASE offers for an automobile when they're a master technician.
And that makes them the master technician. They cover
Exactly.
They cover all the areas. And there's and like you said, there's all these kind of granular, checklists of stuff that you have to make sure you do with every different service. And having that certification, I'm guessing, they have that knowledge in a really structured way. They learn it, they're tested on it. They make sure that they don't lose anything in there from, potentially being just taught by a mentor.
Absolutely. What's really important when you have a particular issue with the vehicle, or there's a certain area of the vehicle that needs service, if you don't know how that operates, how that system operates, you can't service it properly, you can't diagnose it properly. So if you know how the system works, then you can get to the problem quickly, which ends up being cheaper for the vehicle owner, because we're not guessing, we're not replacing components and let's see if that fixes it. We know how it works, and we know how to diagnose this and fix it right.
You're productive, you're working efficiently, and you're getting it done right the first time.
Absolutely, and it's cheaper for the customer that way.
And it's cheaper for the customer that way. Cheaper and better quality, and you can't beat that, especially in the auto industry.
That's for sure.
Absolutely. So go call Brian Weber at Weber Automotive in North Olmsted. They'll service you for any of your needs with your car, with your truck, anything that you could possibly need for your auto, tires, oil changes, even engine work. They really do it all. So check them out at weberautomotive.com.
Thank you, Jackie.
Thanks, Brian.